Many people register on Bytnex, and then they stop. They wait for an email, but no email arrives. This is important to understand. Bytnex is not a wallet. It is a technology-based financial platform. After registration, Bytnex only sends emails when a payment is made. After registration, the most important place to look is the FAQ section on the website. If you need help, you are not alone. Help is available, but nothing is forced. Your sponsor may send you a message. Sometimes it goes to the spam folder. That is normal. You can ask questions. You can request a video explanation. You can get help in your own language. Making a deposit is not mandatory, but it is the moment when the system truly starts working. Until then, you are only observing. After that, you begin experiencing. Bytnex is not a lottery. There's no single winner. Everyone builds their own personal main prize, in their own time, with their own decisions. Here, every participant has the opportunity to be a winner.